fucking wanker. Great driving, mate. Great driving.
You were miles away. I didn't cut across. You were on the hill. You were struggling to catch up.
Yeah, but why not wait?
Wait for you to catch up for another 5 minutes?
No, I would have gone straight on. I decided to come down here. I thought maybe there was a problem.
No, it wasn't a problem. It was just you were miles away from that turning.
Well, I don't think so, mate, but just have a bit more respect for cyclists.
Well, I am. As I said, you were miles away from you were miles away from that turning.
Okay, whatever.
He's uploading loads. I wonder if I can get out around here.
Fucking wanker.
It was just you were miles away from that turning.
Well, I don't think so, mate, but just have a bit more respect for cyclists.
Well, I am. As I said, you were miles away from you were miles away from that turning. You were miles away. I didn't cut across. You were on the hill. You were struggling to catch
Yeah, but
up.
what? Fucking wanker.
No, it wasn't a problem. It was just you were miles away from that turning.
Well, I don't think so, mate, but just have a bit more respect for cyclists.
Well, I am. As I said, you were miles away from you were miles away from that turning.
Okay, whatever.